Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for watching today's presentation. Before I begin, I would like to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Tariq Habibullah, and I am in the 11th grade at Kibitung 1 Vocational High School. Today, I'm going to talk about digital student saving website. In this presentation, there are 7 points that I will be covering. Now that you are aware of the overview, let's begin with the first slide. Background. If you look at this slide, we can see that many schools still use manual notebooks to record student savings. This often causes problems like missing records, unclear balance, and calculation errors. Because of these issues, a modern digital system is needed to make everything safer and more organized. I'd now like to move on to the next slide. Purpose. If you look at this slide, we can see that the purpose of this website is to help students monitor their saving easily. It teaches students how to manage money and supports schools in keeping their data structure. Solution. If you look at this slide, we can see that the solution is a complete digital saving platform. Students can log in, view their balance, add saving, withdraw money, and see their transaction history. This makes the process faster and greatly reduce errors. I now like to move on to the next slide. Website features. First, we have the register page. New user create an account by entering their name, username, and password. This makes sure every user has their own account. Second is the login page. User enter their username and password to open the system. This keeps the app safe and secure. After logging in, user go to the dashboard. The dashboard shows the total balance, total withdrawals, number of transactions, and the last transaction. There are also quick buttons like deposit, withdraw, and view history. This helps users see their savings right away. Next is the deposit page. Here, users can add money to their savings. They fill in the amount and a short note. The balance will increase after the deposit. Then we have the withdraw page. Users can take money from their savings. They enter the amount and a note. Every withdrawal is saved in the system. After that, there is the history page. This page shows all past transactions, both deposit and withdrawal. If there are no transactions, the page will show a message. Users can easily check what they have done before. The last one is the profile page. User can update their name or username. This keeps their information correct and up to date. I now like to move on to the next slide. Development process. If you look at this slide, we can see that the development process includes identifying problems in the manual system, creating a user-friendly design, building each feature, connecting it to the database, and testing everything to ensure it works properly. Benefits. If you look at this slide, we can see that this system provides money benefits. Students can check their savings anytime. Teachers no longer need to manage notebooks. Data becomes safer, more organized, and easier to track. I now like to move on to the next slide. Conclusion. If you look at this slide, we can see that this digital saving system helps schools more from manual methods to a modern and efficient platform. It makes saving easier, more transparent, and more reliable for students. Summary. That brings us to the end of the presentation, and I'd like to summarize by saying the digital student saving system makes saving easier and safer for students. It records balance and transaction automatically so everything stays organized. Teachers can monitor data without doing manual notes. Overall, the system helps build good saving habits at school. I hope you found my presentation helpful and informative. Thank you.